Uh-oh, error.
Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of top-down shader for Game Maker tutorial. Once again, this does not require Pro, but I have Pro. And if you haven't watched the first tutorial, there should be a link in the corner somewhere. Go watch that before watching this one. And this tutorial is going to be a little bit different. We're going to show you how to shoot from your character, but I've already set up everything, so I'm just gonna explain it. So first thing, made a bullet sprite. So it's a line, black line. There's one of up, one of sideways. And then bullet object. And create. Put the sprite to SBR bullet. So image 0, speed 0. Inclusion of wall, destroy instance. And to find that, you do main one, destroy instance, and drag it in. And include text self. See? Okay. And now we go into the player, and when press shift, it has a whole lot of stuff. So I'm gonna explain that in a moment. First things first, go into create, and we have a tiny piece of code. It's not that big, so don't worry. So you go into the control tab and you drag in this piece of code, and it'll open up this box. Just type this. I will have the codes for each thing inside here in the description. They're pretty much all the same, but for this you can just copy and paste it from the description, or you can type it out right here. You can pause the video. It's right equals true, left equals false, up equals false, and down equals false for all that. And then when you press left, you add the piece of code again, and you can just copy paste this from the description like I said, and it's basically the same as the create event, but everything's false except for left is true. And so you basically do that for all these. See, up is true and everything else is false. Right here, right is true and everything else is false. And right here, down is true but everything else is false. So you get the idea. Yeah, so just copy and paste those from the description, and when you add an event, press shift, and then you go in here, and in the control tab right here where you got the code, down here are the variables, the middle one, test variable, you're going to drag that in, and you're going to put if on top, right variable is right, if value is true, operation is equal to. And then you're going to drag these two blocks, start of block and end of block, and then you're going to put these actions inside those blocks by just dragging them in. So if you drag some from over here, and you get to drag it into these blocks. So the first thing we put into the block is we put create instance of object bullet. So go in here, and you just put the name of your bullet. You just click it, click object bullet, and then you click relative, and then you put start moving in direction right, speed 9. You gotta speed it up a little bit, 11, and make sure at the very top, you have to do this or it'll glitch up. You have to take object and then select the bullet, and then go to change sprite from main one, change the sprite. And then you're gonna also do object bullet. Make sure you do that. And sprite bullet sub image 1, speed 0. That way, this way, the sprite of the bullet will be sideways and not going up and shooting to the right. So now you just copy paste all this and paste it down here, and then you have the same thing, except for this thing says left true equal to. So if it's left, then basically you do the same thing, except for the only thing you change is change the direction to left. Everything else is still the same. Everything else is the same. And then you put if down is equal to true, then you create instance of bullet, start moving in the direction down, and change the sprite to object bullet subimage 0, so it'll be facing up and down. And then you just copy paste this and put it down here for if up is equal to true. And then you just, it's exactly the same except for this goes up. And that's pretty much it. And you got the working bullet system. If it doesn't work, tell me if you're getting an error. Post a comment what the error is. I'll see if I can fix it just to prove this works. I will show you. So I can walk around in my game and I push shift, fire the bullet, and when it touches the wall, it disappears. Sorry. So anyway, there's your game. You shoot bullets. And I think next time we'll work on some enemy AI and have them die when you shoot them with the bullet. So, until next time, guys. See you later.
Good luck to you. Y'all take care now.